Hey everybody, we are going to practice our skip counting and we're going to start with twos. So you guys count with me. Every time we count a two, I'm going to color it green. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. What patterns do you see when we're counting by tens on the hundreds chart? Awesome. So we skipped a column every time, and we just have rows or columns of twos. Another pattern we see is we skipped a number every time. We skipped 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So every time we're skipping a number when we're counting by twos. Awesome. Now we're going to count by fives, and I'm going to mark every 5 with blue. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. What patterns did you see when we're counting by fives? Great. When we're counting by fives, we always skip 4 numbers in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 we highlighted, and then we skip another 4 numbers, and then we highlighted 10. We also see that we have 2 columns. A column that ends all in fives, 5, 15, 25, 35, and so on, and a column that ends all in zeros. So when you're counting by fives, you're going to hit every 5 and then a 0 number, a 5 and then a 0 number, a 5 and then a 0 number, all the way to 100. Now we are going to count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What pattern did you see here? Great. We counted by tens and we only filled up the column with the numbers that end in a 0. All of these numbers end in a 0 and they're all the way to the right side of your hundreds chart. That is how we count by tens. Great job, guys. Okay, let's go over skip counting one more time. Let's start with twos. Ready? Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Now you continue counting. As I click, you count. Great job. All right, now let's count by fives. Ready? 5, oops, let's do blue. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now you continue counting as I click. Ready? Great job. One last time, let's count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now you continue counting as I click. Great job skip counting today. You can now do your seesaw activity.